Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully everyone's alright. Everybody is safe. We made it so far. It is Thursday, getting closer to the weekend. So, we're going to see what's inside. And this is coming from my friends at... I'm not sure yet. I have to open it up. Here comes a rip. Oh. There we go. Now I'm going to need to cut. And of course you guys can get one at a low cost. Click on the links down below. Check them out. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime shipping. Get it fast shipped to you. There we go. Aha. Bada boom. And we have to show you guys. Ooh. Bada boom. LiteXim, I do believe. Thank you guys. Aerobuds, wireless earphone. Portable charge box, 12 hours music. Now this is some heavy stuff right here. Oh, nice. It comes with a charging case. Aerobuds. Ergonomic. All that good stuff on the back. Alright, let's crack this open. Here we go. There we go. Drop you guys down a little bit more. There we go. Got this open. These look really sweet. Oh, oh, look at this. This is crazy looking. That's a charging. And here are the Aerobuds come out of the box. Boom, boom, holy moly. Look how small these things are. Now this would be great for the gym, for dog walks, walking outside, riding your bikes. Just make sure you hear the ambulances coming. There we go. Come on out. We got replacement pieces that comes with it. Oh man. Oh, these are the replacement. Where are the... Might be in here. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Ooh. That's nice. Check these out. How tiny they are. Dang. I wish I could play music on here, but I'm afraid of the copyright stuff, so I'll definitely have this on my Instagram page. If you guys want to hear them, it'll definitely be on it. Oh, we gotta remove the sticker. Got that one off. They did that so it won't charge it, I guess. There's another sticker. Remove that. But, like I said, pretty easy to install. There it goes. Wow, that's crazy how small these things are. Awesome. But that's what we gotta do to charge it. Let's see if you guys could drop down a little bit more. Maybe that's about it. Yeah, dang. Gotta push. And boom. And then when you want to charge it, you gotta go in here. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh, sweet. Boom. Oh, this is sweet. Look at that. It's charging automatically. Heck yeah. I guess when that dies out, plug it into the USB, charge those up. Comes with replacement buds. And I think that's it. Wi-Fi, everybody knows how to hook these up. Pretty simple. But check them out, YouTubers. A great deal right now they got going on. You guys won't be disappointed. And like I said, sorry if I can't play the sound, but just because of the music I listen to, I don't want to get flagged. And then, but it'll be on my Instagram if you guys really want to hear them. But I'm sure these are really good in sound. Really lightweight. Tiny. This is going to be awesome. So thank you guys at LiteXim, I do believe. XSHUAI for sending me these. And YouTubers, you guys can get these at a low cost. Instead of spending those big bucks on those Beats by Dre. Get these. Save you some money. Buy other things. Look at that though. Awesome. I'm not even hooked up to nothing. It's charging automatically. But once this charges, I'm going to throw this on a charge tonight. Give it a full 8 hours. And then tomorrow I'll have it on my Instagram to show you guys. But I want to listen to these first, test them out. And then like I said, tomorrow it'll be on my Instagram if you guys want to hear these things. But guarantee you these are nice though. Well made. Nice charging dock. Wireless. Perfect. Basketball, hockey, whatever you guys want to do with these. Play with hiking, mountain climbing, yoga. Look at that though. Really nice. I love this new technology out there. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. And I'll see you guys back tomorrow. Hopefully. Which will be Friday. So have a good night. And I'll see you guys soon. See ya.